Welcome back to my channel, freelancers. Kaitlyn here, your go-to guide for all things freelancing. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out on your journey, I've got you covered with tips, tricks, and insights to help you thrive in the world of freelancing. Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss out on any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started. So, you're a Filipino living in the US and you've got big dreams of starting your own virtual assistant agency. Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to make that dream a reality. First, get yourself an LLC in the US. Setting up an LLC may seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Start by researching the requirements in your state and filing the necessary paperwork with the Secretary of State's office. You can also hire a business formation service to handle their process for you, saving you time and hassle. Build a reliable team in the Philippines. Finding reliable virtual assistants in the Philippines can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can use to build your team. Consider posting job listings on reputable freelancing platforms like Upwork or Online Jobs PH, or reaching out to local universities or vocational schools to find qualified candidates. Reach out to potential clients in the US. When it comes to reaching out to potential clients, networking is key. Attend industry events, join online communities and forums, and leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. Be sure to personalize your outreach and focus on building genuine relationships. Invoicing and contracting software. There are many invoicing and contracting software options available, so it's important to do your research to find the right fit for your business. Some popular options include FreshBooks, QuickBooks, and Wave. Look for software that offers features like customizable invoices, automated reminders, and secure payment processing. Now, where and how to find or purchase software needed for businesses. When it comes to finding software for your business, there are a few different options to consider. You can purchase software directly from the provider's website, or you can explore online marketplaces like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Additionally, many software providers offer free trials or demos, allowing you to test out the software before making a commitment. How to process virtual assistant salary in the United States. Processing virtual assistant salaries in the United States involves setting up a payroll system and adhering to all relevant tax laws and regulations. Consider partnering with a reputable payroll service provider to handle payroll processing, tax withholding, and other related tasks. Be sure to communicate openly with your virtual assistants about their compensation and provide them with all necessary documentation for tax purposes. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to setting up your own virtual assistant agency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful tips and advice on freelancing. And remember, if you have any questions or additional insights to share, feel free to drop them in the comment box below. Until next time, happy freelancing!